How to apply for a BDO credit card. Now before we go into the tutorial, you'll have to access or pull out any preferred web browser that you can use. And on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And once you have opened up your browser, just head directly to bdo.com and you will now then be redirected to the bdo.com's official site. So once you're here, just head directly to this option right here that says cards. Just click on that and you will be given a specific or a different kinds of credit cards that you can choose. So from here, this is gonna be your options. So say for example, you'd like credit card, just click on apply now. And then if you scroll down, you will also be given out a specific credit cards that suit you. So for example, it's gonna be for BDO Shop More MasterCard Purple, BDO Visa Classic, or an American Express Explorer credit card. So what you want to do is just have to choose on a specific credit card that suits your needs. Now once you have successfully chosen it, just head directly to apply now and BDO will undergo a specific credit check first or a background check if you're eligible to be approved and will be given a credit card for you. So that's it. That's how you apply for a credit card in BDO.